You will fail with options trading until you understand this: market conditions. In this video, we're gonna go over the current state of the market, what I'm doing because of it, and what I believe you should be doing. If you guys don't know me, real quick, my name's Brando. I've been trading for over 14 years. Some might say I'm unk status, but hey, life's good. I'm a first-generation Vietnamese American, a husband, and an entrepreneur. But I'm really here to impact your guys' lives and give you the true and authentic strategies I've used over the years to make 8 figures trading options. So current market overview. Right now, we're in a consolidation period. The market's been pulling back for about 5 weeks, with the S&P dropping over 10% and the NASDAQ dropping over 13%. Once this consolidation period ends, we're gonna see all-time highs again. And I believe it'll be in the second half of the year. We've already seen many stocks pull back 20% all the way up to 50%. I believe the bottom's starting to form this month. Next topic is tariffs. On March 4th, the US slapped some big tariffs on imports. 25% on goods from Canada and Mexico, and an increase from 10 to 20% on Chinese goods. On March 6th, Trump paused tariffs on most goods from Canada and Mexico that fall under the USMCA trade deal until April 2nd. It's about 38% of imports from Canada and 50% from Mexico. And on March 12th, Trump reinstated tariffs for all steel and aluminum imports at 25%. Trump is using tariffs as leverage to address trade imbalances. This will basically make imports costlier and boost domestic output. The next topic is rate cuts. The best guess is 2 to 3 rate cuts by December. Tariffs and jobs data can change the number of rate cuts. Higher inflation makes the Fed hesitant to cut rates, and tariffs also slow growth. On March 19th, the FOMC decided to maintain the federal funds rate at 4.25 to 4.5%. This was the second consecutive meeting with no changes overall. The FOMC signaled patience, maintaining current rates while adjusting its balance sheet policy and projections to reflect a complex economic environment with heightened uncertainty. Markets responded variably, with some viewing the outcome as supportive of risk assets due to the easing of QT and the prospect of future cuts. Okay, next topic is government unemployment and cutting waste. Government spending has been shrinking, and laying off government jobs, it pulls money out of people's pockets, slows spending, and can even drag growth down, especially if it's a lot of jobs at once. It might tame inflation enough for Fed cuts, but the risk is a deeper slump before things bounce back. Timing matters. Right now, with jobs softening and trade wars brewing, it could hit harder than usual. All right, next topic is Jerome Powell and the FOMC. A key theme in Powell's March 19th remarks was uncertainty tied to Trump agenda. He explicitly referenced trade policies, the March tariffs, immigration, fiscal deficits, and deregulation as wildcards for 2025. While he didn't predict specific outcomes like stagflation or recession, he said the Fed is prepared to adjust policy if these factors materially alter growth or inflation. His measured tone aimed to reassure markets that the Fed isn't locked into a preset course, contrasting with some analysts who saw his QT adjustment as subtly dovish. So what am I doing during this volatile market? Number 1, I'm sizing down to 1/10 size. I'm also decreasing the volume of my trades. It's really important that you wait for key support and resistance levels. Now, this is what I believe you should be doing. Number 1, wait for the market to bottom. And when it finally bottoms, focus on sector-leading stocks like Meta, Tesla, Netflix, Amazon, Goldman Sachs, Nvidia. Wait for the market to backtest and defend a key support level before considering an entry. This is what I'm doing in my group. Every morning, I'm doing a pre-market plan, live voice, and commentary through text. And we also do a market call where I do live voiceover throughout the day. After the market closes, I provide a market recap where I go over what happened that day and what to look for the next day. We also have a trading chat room on Discord. Appreciate you all for watching. That'll be it for today's video. And of course, there are things we couldn't cover, deeper strategies I use and share with my group on WAP. So if you guys are looking to get started, click the first link in the description and maybe see if my group could help you. Follow me on IG and subscribe. I got a lot more videos on the way.